Hello students, I am explaining the first chapter of economics, money and banking. What is barter, the conditions of barter economy, then disadvantages, that means the difficulties of barter economy. 2 points I have already explained, that is lack of double coincidence of ones and lack of common measure of value. That means under barter economy, value of commodities could not be determined. So there are two more difficulties given in the book. So another difficulty under barter economy, barter system was people under barter economy found it difficult to exchange the commodities when the commodities were indivisible. Each and every commodity cannot be divided, and when it is divided, its value becomes nil. So in such commodities, in case of those commodities, barter became almost impossible, or barter could not be operated. Suppose yesterday in my explanation I said that rice and shirt. Now if the shirt is divided, because it is only 1 kg of rice, a person needs only 1 kg of rice, so he is not willing to give the full shirt. Can he say that okay, I am taking only 1 kg of rice, so you take only the one sleeve of the shirt? Because if the shirt is divided, then value of the shirt becomes nil. If a person has cows or calf and he wants 5 kgs of paddy, 5 kgs of rice, so he has to make an exchange with his cow or calf. Can he divide? If such things are divided, then there is no value. And so people found it difficult to make an exchange, and exchange became almost impossible in case of the commodities which were indivisible. But in money economy, there is no such difficulty, because whatever amount we need or we want to buy, we can make an exchange paying little amount of money. If we want to buy 50 kgs, we can pay more. If you want to buy only 1 kg, we will pay less. If you buy 10 kgs, we will buy accordingly, we will pay accordingly. So the payment is done accordingly, according to the quality and the quantity, which was not at all possible under barter economy, and thus barter became a problem for the people. So under barter economy, people faced such difficulties to divide the commodities. Then another problem under barter economy was that barter, it lacked store of value. Store of value. The goods which are perishable, which cannot be stored for longer period. There are commodities, there are goods which are perishable. Say fruits. Fruits are perishable goods, especially when the fruits are the seasonal fruits. Then it cannot be stored for the longer period to make exchange with other commodities. The person who has suppose the mango gardens, can he store his mangoes till the next season comes, because he has mango gardens, he has to store mangoes. He has no other commodities to make exchange. So he has mangoes, and to get the other commodities he has to store. But is it possible to store mango for longer period? No. We can understand the condition, isn't it? So for the perishable goods, it was not at all possible to store. But under money economy, money can be stored. Money means the value of the commodity. Now, money stored means the value of the commodity is stored. If a person wants to make a house or wants to buy a car, he can store money. He can store money, little he can store, and then when the amount comes, then he can spend that money for buying a car or for making a house. So storing money means storing the value of the commodity. But storing the commodities, perishable commodities, does not mean the storing the value of the commodity that he needs or he has to buy. And thus barter could not, under barter economy, people could not satisfy, could not buy the things, could not get the things, because lots of problems were there, could not be divided, could not be stored for the longer period, could not determine the value of the commodity. In many cases, many people, they became loser for the little amount of thing. Since the good cannot be divided, so the whole amount, more valuable goods, they have to exchange for the less valuable goods. So people found it varieties of difficulties. But when money was introduced, money came into exchange, money came in the economic system, then it removed all the difficulties of barter economy. Money is the medium of exchange. With the help of money, exchange is possible. Every economic work, economic activity is done with the help of money. That exchange is done because money, already I said, money has the general acceptability. Since money has the general acceptability, so all the economic works are done with the help of money. No one can refuse to accept money, then it goes against the law. So these are the difficulties under barter economy. Then evolution of money, that is 1.03, it is not needed, that is omitted. So children, today we will do only that much, and next class, what is money and characteristics of money, I will explain. So remember that evolution of money, it is omitted, it is not needed, 1.03, okay. Alright, we will stop for today, but go through the point, go through all the difficulties of barter economy. Alright.